As most of you know, I'm a big fan of esoteric silicon, so that's why a couple of you forwarded me this video to react to with some weird-ass GPUs. What's your minimum specification? So the video in question is part of hashtag gpujune, is that a thing? From Captain's Workspace, testing the PowerVR SuperKyro. This thing. Okay, that's a bit of a weird GPU. It's this is from a thread post. It says, you're looking at SuperKyro, a version of the PVR3 card with 4 Kyros and 160 megabytes on board. That's right, 160 megabytes at 125 megahertz. This thing has 1 gigapixel per second raw fill rate or 3 gigapixels per second effective after deferred rendering. 3 gigapixels per second. So this was 2002, yeah. SuperKyro means that we may also see the Super PVR4, which will have a raw fill rate of 2.7 gigapixels a second, a whopping 8 gigapixels a second effective after deferred rendering. At this rate of improvement, you can have the G-Cube rendering power in your PC for $500 by next year. And stuff about Sega. Forget Nvidia and Xbox. PowerVR rules forever. So let's have a listen in to this video, I think.
Hello YouTube. I've been invited by Pixel Pipes to this event called gpujune, where I'll have to upload a video about a retro graphics card. And the card I've chosen is a forgotten.
Actually, how long is that card? Standard one is what? 19? That must be getting on for 30 centimeters. Maybe more? Maybe 40. What's that? 12, 15 inches, 16 inches? I mean, so 4-way GPUs aren't necessarily that new. You may remember that Linus recently reviewed a quad GPU from about this era to do with flight simulators. And that was, an AMD GPU, but the company had designed a custom driver for 4 GPUs to work together. Yeah, funny enough, I was the one that introduced Linus to that eBay listing. So let's see what this is.
The Kyro 3 SuperKyro from
Kyro.
PowerVR, released in the year 2000. The card features 160 megabytes of video.
Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, so 8 megabytes apiece.
RAM, and with deferred rendering.
Okay, no, that's double, so there's 40. Let's make that 4 megabytes each. You can see some of the weird traces on the back, where it all has to attach to the memory, and hashtag gpujune is on the PCB. Is this real?
I'll not only test if the card is working, but use the opportunity to run a performance test and compare the card against these other pairs.
What the hell are these? There's 4, there's 2, there's 4. 4, 8, 16. Okay. That looks like it's got multiple stuff on it.
Correct high-end cards. And
let's say Thunder S9000.
to speed things up and keep the video short, but I'll of course test all the cards at once on this huge ass motherboard.
What the is that?
With 1980p slots.
19 AGP slots. AMD socket or whatever. IDE. No.
38 PCI slots.
38 PCI slots. So PCI was a shared bus. So 33 megahertz, wasn't it? Divided by 38 slots.
And the unavoidable ISA slot.
This has got to be a joke. Surely. What in the world is all this? Jesus Christ.
And it's posting. So I guess there's some kind of live
Big Minaj motherboard. Great. Version 1.04.
It seems like Windows is ready.
Love the fact that there's a OEM number on the right. Yep, okay, new hardware found. Bitchin' Fast 3D 2000. There we go.
There should be graphics somewhere around here.
Ray Tracing Max. What is all this?
And there's no warning sign, so that's good. Let me close these. So yeah, that's all the cards listed here. So yeah, let's start the benchmark software.
So, how are all the drivers interacting together? You're having me on. I'm telling you, you're having me on. This is all a joke.
It's done. So let's have a look at the scores. What an amazing card. Hope you enjoyed this little gpujune video. Please check out some of the others videos.
That's gotta be a... Yeah, okay, you go see the video. Let's see what you think. But... am I just not understanding what this is? That can't be a real product. Yeah, here we go. It's a joke. Get a PCB made in China. Yeah. The fact that card had gpujune on the back. I don't know what to say. I really don't. Seeing these things are kind of... I don't know. Seeing these things like this, part of me is like, oh, but it's not real. But the other part of me is, oh, it's so interesting. I don't know. Though to mock up, a card that, there's one picture of back from 2000, that's pretty funny. That is. But, so the question is what? I don't know. What's the minimum specification now? 32 GPUs? Yeah, let's go with that then.